Hey guys, just quickly reviewing the M2 MacBook Air. This thing is awesome when it comes to export speeds. For example, I have this 8-minute long video and it is doing it in 5 minutes with multiple tabs open. We got Lightroom just about opened. We just had Chrome open, multiple tabs, and this thing is just an absolute machine. Considering the speed of export, it is extremely useful for content creators and I highly recommend it. So this thing is a MacBook Apple Air 2 and it is 16 gigabytes of RAM with the memory and almost full disk, and it is still doing this export in 5 to 4 minutes with an 8-minute long video with multiple different stems. So for example, I've got different layers and all sorts on this video. It is absolutely awesome. So in 2026, I still absolutely recommend the M2 chip. I don't think that it is falling behind whatsoever. I still think it's powerful enough. You could probably pick one of these up for a really good price, and I just highly recommend it if you're a content creator or a video creator, anything like that, doing editing, doing music production, for exporting. It's just really good with the speeds. I barely have any lag when it comes to it. It's just great.